Make sure the V-bars are going to contact the road surface. So we're just stretching it out, V-bars on top here, making sure that side chains are all straight and the cross chains are all straight. Some chains have these cam tensioning devices, some don't. We also want to make sure with the cam tighteners that they are on the outside of the tire where you can get at them and tighten up your chains later. We're just going to grab the chain, just like that, and we're just going to put it right over the top of the tire, relatively centered, and then just pull it around. Just make sure that we're all squared up, like so, because we are going to drive ahead in order to get our fasteners at the back end, preferably where we can get at them a little easier. See where our V-bars are exposed at the top, where they're going to contact the road surface and give us a little more traction. We're just going to make sure our fasteners are on both sides of the tire, just so we don't drive over the fasteners and damage them. Go underneath here, and I am just going to fasten to the first link to start out with. And so we just tighten it up one link on the inside. Get this as tight as possible again. We'll try that one. Okay, that one's going to work. So these particular fasteners have a little keeper here. It's going to slide up there and make sure it's fastened. Tighten the side chains a bit. So piece of equipment we can use if your tire chains don't have the cam tighteners is just a bungee cord with some hooks on. You can even buy these pre-made. So if the whole object again is to get the side chains tight. So we just work that around a little bit, as much as we can, like so. So we're looking good. Now we just go off to the other side, do the same thing, and we're on our way. We're ready to go.